Welcome to the science of phantom voltage. This video is a deep dive for modern electricians, exploring why appliances sometimes tingle and why standard multimeters often give deceptive readings. Clients sometimes report a tingling sensation when touching a grounded appliance. When you measure the wire, which should be off, you might find readings up to 90 volts AC. This is not a hard short or a direct fault. It's high-impedance voltage, often called ghost or phantom voltage. Understanding this physics prevents misdiagnosis and expensive, unnecessary rewiring. Phantom voltage is based on the physics of capacitive coupling. Any two parallel conductors separated by insulation form an invisible capacitor. Modern digital multimeters, or DMMs, have high input impedance, typically 10 megaohms, to avoid loading the circuit. Phantom voltage has zero current capacity, meaning it has no teeth. Because the meter draws almost no current, it fails to collapse the phantom field. The meter reports a voltage that would vanish if any real load were applied. It is important to distinguish between fields. Capacitive coupling is caused by the electric field and occurs even if no current is flowing in the primary wire. Inductive coupling, however, is caused by the magnetic field and requires current to be actively flowing in the primary conductor to induce voltage in the secondary. Phantom voltage is like static electricity, high voltage but essentially zero work-performing current. Its capacity is measured in microamps compared to the full current capacity of hard voltage. To diagnose real or ghost voltage, remember that phantom voltage dissipates when a load is applied and is safe to touch. Hard voltage maintains its voltage under load and has a lethal current capacity. Phantom voltage is caused by proximity to energized wires, often in long conduit runs. Hard voltage is directly connected to a power source and indicates a circuit is live or shorted. While usually benign, tingles can signal danger. These include a lost neutral, where return current uses the chassis, or a grounding failure, proving the appliance is not properly grounded. High-resistance faults, such as those from moisture and older wiring, can also mimic phantom voltage and can become hard under certain conditions. The Low-Z solution uses low-impedance testing to eliminate ghost readings. The Low-Z function introduces a 3 k-ohm load across the test leads. This load collapses the weak capacitive coupling, dropping the phantom reading to 0 volts. If the voltage is hard, the meter will still show the full potential. The 4-step diagnosis workflow starts with an initial test using a standard DMM. Next, perform the Lowe's check, and if the voltage drops, it's phantom. Third, ensure the chassis-to-ground path is less than 1 ohm. Finally, conduct a load test by plugging in a resistive load, such as a lamp, to see if the voltage remains.